Labcyte is an amazing technology and an incredible group of people. The technology is able to use sound energy to move liquids in increments of a billionth of a liter at a time with extreme precision and accuracy with no mechanical intervention. We have a team of software, mechanical, electrical engineers, along with physicists and chemists to put this complex technology into a machine that is incredibly simple in terms of how it works and what a powerful tool it is. So it's incredibly novel and extremely disruptive to the way people have been doing liquid handling for decades.
So you may say, well, who cares, right? Who cares about moving small amounts of liquid? And the answer is we all do. This is what's really driving life science research and drug discovery, is ability to make the best use of small amounts of rare, valuable materials. What Labcyte's done with this technology is help people to figure out answers to difficult problems without running out of material. For example, in the case of cancer, we can take a very small blood sample, still do hundreds or thousands of experiments on that blood sample, and take away all of the very difficult drinking straw and pipetting activity and still achieve high quality results, but do that very, very quickly in an automated way and come up with treatments that are tailored to that individual's disease. Attributes for innovation, I think, really are in three areas. One is the technology. You need to have technology that matters. You need to have people that are dedicated to figuring out how to apply that technology. And then, of course, you have to have something to do with it that adds value. And Labcyte's fortunate that we have all three. We have patented technology for moving liquids and also related to the applications of how you apply that into the context of doing life science experiments. We have people who will go out. In fact, one of my great pleasures is going out and talking to customers. And quite frankly, a lot of the things that we end up innovating at Labcyte are ideas that come from customers. We're fortunate that a lot of our customers are very interested in sharing their innovations, which is a great joy that we can take a good solution that matters to people's healthcare and share it with others.
Let's set the stage on a global basis and recognize that healthcare costs are skyrocketing out of control all around the globe. It's getting more and more difficult to come up with therapeutics to be able to cure diseases. It's more and more complicated to come up with diagnostics to have an accurate outcome and assessment of what's appropriate to give to a patient. In that context, because everything that happens in research and discovery involves the movement and handling of liquids, it's going to be critical to use our systems to improve data quality, to lower costs, and drive a faster result to have an impact in all of those areas.
Having the ability to deal with individual patient care, to take samples from patients and really to do a very complex set of experiments to figure out what's the right treatment for them. How can we now build an infrastructure that allows us to deliver this routinely to large populations? Because we have automation, flexibility, and low cost and robustness, we can actually achieve that goal. But it's a giant infrastructure change which can have a tremendous impact on the world, but it's not a simple thing to move for a small company, but one that we're not going to give up working on till we're done.